Hello and welcome, or welcome back. Thank you for joining me. As you can see, I have taken over today's episode. A fact that most of you may be unaware of is turkey wasn't on the menu at the first Thanksgiving. Did you guys know that? Prompt. Mini cake thing. Today we'll be making a mini cake thing. Prompt. Pause the video. Side note, if you'd like to pause the video and grab the instructions, they're in the link in the description above. Wow. Below. So go ahead and do that now. I'll go ahead. I'm waiting. While we wait for some of the slower pokes, I'm going to tell you a joke. Why do turkeys gobble? Alright, let's get started. Cake recipe. Now this cake recipe is the same as the last time I was here. So if you'd like to watch that video, it's also in the link in description above. Below. It's in the link in description below. So without further ado, let's make this cake in a time lapse. Now while we wait for the cake to bake, I'm going to make a salad.
Why are you putting so many carrots in there? It'll be too expensive.
Exactly. 24 carrots. Okay, let's make the frosting. You will need 2 packages, 8 ounces each, cream cheese, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, softened. You'll need 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, 6 cups of confectioner's sugar, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. In a bowl of an electric mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, beat together the cream cheese, butter, and salt until light and smooth. This will take about 5 minutes. Next, blend in the vanilla and the almond extract. Beat to combine. Add the confectioner's sugar slowly, about 1 cup at a time, and mix until smooth. After that, add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. I decided to use food coloring to make it orange. Now, it won't end up like the bright orange you want, but I just got a nice light orange. You can do whatever color you want. And now the frosting's done. Ding! Oh, perfect! The cake is ready. Okay, now we are going to cut it into circles. Now you can frost it on the top or all around, whatever you want. And you can make it 2 layers too, if you want to. Like you could take another one, stack it on top, and then frost it. I think I'll make more of these. But I want to share them with my friends. How could I do that? They're gonna get stale. I know! I'll ask Juliette to make a jar that looks like a turkey, and then I can give these out to my friends on Thanksgiving. Perfect. Let me just call. Where's the note on my phone? Okay. Hi, Juliette. Please help. I don't like hosting this. Can you make this? Can you make a jar that looks like a turkey? Okay, thank you. She'll do it. Yeah, I can totally do that, Julienne. And it's perfect, because I needed a craft to do this month. Julienne! Julienne! No! My phone! We better start working on this craft so I can distract myself from my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this is informational and enjoyable, and I hope to see you next time. But before you go, like if you like this video, subscribe if you want more, share with your friends, check out my Instagram, check out JulietteJulesWorld.com, and here's today's note of positivity. Today's quote is, find something you're passionate about and keep tremendously interested in it. Quoted by Juliette Childs. Julienne loves Juliette Childs. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy Thanksgiving and be thankful.